I have started creating a retro 8-bit UI component collection like Shadcn. It is already live, you have all the links in the description below, and it has 7 components for now. So we have this badge, then we have a button, and it is even looking better in light mode. I'm a dark mode guy, but this one is looking better for me in light mode. Then we have this card, input, select, it's looking like this, label, and text area. I'm using the Shadcn registry here, so the installation is really easy. If you want to take this badge component and put it inside of our Next.js project, we can just copy this command right here, and I have a Next.js here up and running, and we can go to our terminal and just paste that command inside of our directory. And this one is going to install Shadcn for us, so I'm going to choose color stone, and we are writing components.json using force for React 19, and here you can see that we have the ordinary Shadcn badge, and we also have the 8-bit version of this badge. So now we can open our code, go to the main page, and put here somewhere our badge. So I'm going to put it next to this image, badge like this, and I'm going to import it from the 8-bit directory. And let's check it out. How does it look? Refreshing. I need to restart everything because I installed Shadcn pm dev, and refreshing now the screen, and here it is. We have our badge, which is looking retro 8-bit, however you like it. And adding additional components now is really easy. We can just go here and repeat everything the same. Instead of badge, I'm just going to put the button, and our button is going to be installed. So we can just use the registry, which is a really awesome thing from Shadcn. So now we have a button, and we can put here, instead of a badge, we can put button and just import it from our 8-bit directory again. And if we go here, we have now this button, and all the components are also working with themes from the globals.css. So if we go to the Shadcn documentation, to themes, and pick here some theme, any that we like, for example this violet, we can just copy the code from here, Tailwind version 4, copy it, go to our globals.css, and here this whole root and dark mode, just paste in the theme from Shadcn. Then when we get back, we can see that that theme is applied to our button and our badge. This whole project is open source, open code. You have the GitHub repo in the description below, and if you'd like to contribute, just hit me in the comments or on Discord channel, wherever is easier for you, so we can see to build something together. This is something I always wanted to create. I'm an old school gamer, so I really like this kind of design, and I think it can be really cool for building some web games or some portfolios or something like that. So I'm really curious if you could tell me, what do you think about this project?